Number 38. The diagram shows the feeding relationships in a food web. Which organism may feed as both a secondary and a tertiary consumer? So we have to find an organism that can be both secondary and tertiary consumer. So the easiest way to do so is just by counting the number of arrows. So we'll start from grass. And we're not going to go this way because it's shorter. We just have to find the longest one because it's likely to be a tertiary consumer. So grass, grasshopper, not blackbird. It's going to go, actually, let's go to the blackbird. And then you can go to the fox. So there are three arrows. Tertiary means three. So yes, fox, first of all, is a tertiary consumer. Probably will be the only tertiary consumer in this food web. And so I would just go for A first, but let's just check if it's also secondary consumer. Yes, it is, because starting from the grass to mouse and then goes fox, or grass, rabbit, fox. So rabbit and mouse and grasshopper, they are primary consumers, and that's secondary consumer. But if you go this way, then fox becomes the tertiary consumer as well. So the answer is indeed A. Okay?